Have you ever wondered which type of watch can really stand the test of time, enduring daily adventures and unexpected bumps with grace? It is a question many watch enthusiasts and everyday wearers ponder when choosing their next timepiece, especially when considering how much life demands from our accessories. When comparing the durability of automatic watches to quartz watches generally hold an edge in terms of resistance to everyday shocks and impacts. This is because their internal construction is less intricate and has fewer moving parts that can be affected by sudden movements or drops. The core reason for this difference lies in their fundamental mechanisms. An automatic watch contains hundreds of tiny, precisely engineered mechanical components, including delicate gears, springs, and levers, all working in harmony to keep time. A significant jolt can disrupt these intricate arrangements, potentially misaligning parts or even causing breakage. In contrast, a quartz watch operates with a battery and an electronic circuit board, vibrating a small quartz crystal. This simpler, solid-state system is inherently more resilient to physical shocks, as there are fewer fragile moving parts to be damaged. So, how do you decide which is right for you, knowing these durability differences? Consider your lifestyle. If you lead a very active life, frequently participate in sports, or work in a demanding environment where your watch might take a hit, a quartz watch might be your more practical choice for consistent, worry-free timekeeping. However, if you appreciate the artistry and engineering of traditional watchmaking and are mindful of protecting your timepiece, an automatic watch can certainly provide many years of reliable service. It is also worth noting that modern automatic watches often incorporate sophisticated shock protection systems, such as the popular Encablock or Novichok devices, which are designed to absorb impacts and protect the balance wheel, a crucial component. While these advancements significantly improve resilience, they do not make them impervious to severe shocks. Quartz watches, with their battery-powered precision, typically requiring less frequent maintenance beyond battery changes, making them a set it and forget it option for many. Ultimately, choosing between an automatic and a quartz watch comes down to understanding your own daily needs and priorities. By recognizing the inherent durability characteristics of each type, you can confidently select a timepiece that not only tells time beautifully but also stands up to the rigors of your unique journey, ensuring lasting enjoyment and reliability.